Do you think it's counterproductive for that quote request form to have like nitty gritty details? Not the desire, but like, what are you after? A full wrap, partial wrap? You know,
I do.
Budget? It's kind of typical like that.
I do, because it leads to anxiety and them being like, I put all that on the form. Like if you're going to call them, if this is not an autopilot sale, which I don't think it is,
No.
I would just have the form be just enough to get them curious to where you can call them and do the work, but you have to call them and do the work. But I think you will, because you're on Easton University and you care about your process and you care about your clients. So I don't.
That I do.
Yeah. So I would rather ask them those questions live.
Do you think I should just strip it down, maybe instead of request a quote, it's like request a call?
Yeah, we'll call you. Yeah.
Just minimal details?
Minimal.
Okay.
Because here's the thing, man. That gives you an opportunity to let them know about your brand. And if they're like, oh, that's not what we're looking for. Hey, it makes perfect sense. If you know anybody, you know, that's looking to drive traffic through their business and is getting crushed by, you know, the Googles and the Metas of the world, have them give me a call. I'm happy to help, even if it's just to bounce an idea off of them. Fair enough, right? And it's like, it's just good calls. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.